What's up, guys? Jay Parrish here, your digital marketing manager. And today I want to talk about a really cool Instagram feature that you might not know about that we've started using here with the marketing team. And it's called Instagram Guides. And, I thought it kind of was fitting with our guiding you home. And as agents, we are guides. So Instagram gives you this great feature to be able to create your own guides. And these guides can be anything from, 5 ways to buy a home, 5 things that you should do to list your home. Anything that has lists like that. And what I like doing, what I'm going to show you step by step today, is how to do it on, 5 restaurants you recommend in the area that you work in, 5 parks that you recommend, the five best restaurants. Going through lines, things that have lists along those lines. So I wanted to show you, it's very easy to do. You actually don't even have to have created your own content or have taken your own pictures. You're able to use other images that are created by others on Instagram by tagging them and using them. They've been to the restaurants or they've been to the park. So it's really cool. Want to walk you guys through the steps of how you can do that. It's something else that you're able to add if you're thinking, if you're using Instagram, and it's a way to be able to, if you think of your main Instagram page as another website that people might land on and find out more information, these guides are going to be there for you. So if you look at our Coldwell Banker Elite Instagram homepage, as you might call it, you can see right here on the screen. Across the top, we have, all of your bio, which you want to update on a regular basis. But as you scroll through here, you're going to see it. It starts off on the feed, which is what you see, the little 9 boxes to the left. And then you go through and you have your reels and you have your stories. And then that next one, you might not see it on yours right now. It looks like kind of like a newspaper or a guide, is where your guides would start to live. So it's another place for people to be able to go and be showing you as an expert at the area that you live in. These are just a couple guides that we've created here recently. Best outdoor activities in Orange, Virginia, Spotsylvania, Virginia restaurant recommendations, best breweries in Gainesville, and we're going through and creating these and starting to add those into that. And it's something that you can definitely do. And the one I'm going to show you today, we're going to do like on Fredericksburg restaurant recommendations. So it's very simple to create it. So down in the bottom right, if you're not already there, you will see your face. In our case, you're seeing the icon. You're going to click on that to make sure that you land on this page that we're looking at now. In the top right, there is a plus. You hit the plus, and it's going to pop up basically what you want to create. So you're going to scroll down, and you're going to click on Guide. And there's 3 different types of guides that you can create. There's a places guide. This is recommending places in your city and beyond. A products guide, recommending your favorite products or services. And posts, recommending posts you've created or ones that you've saved from different people throughout. So what we're going to do today, showing you, is places, but I recommend you jump in here and try the different ones out, see what's the best fit for you. So you click on places. And then you're going to search for your first place. So since I'm doing restaurants in Fredericksburg, I'm going to look for Sedona, since if you guys are like us in the downtown, that you are going to Sedona a lot. So we're going to click on Sedona, and you're going to see, you want to make sure you click on the one that is located in the area that you go to. So we're going to click on William Street here. And then what it's going to do is going to populate posts that other people have tagged this restaurant in. And you're going to choose the post in which you want to use. So when restaurants, I'm typically looking for a picture of the restaurant or a picture of food, whatever you think is going to catch people's attention and, make it look like it's a good place to eat. So I think at a quick glance, this one right here, and you can actually select multiple images. So there was one up here of the restaurant. So if we just kind of scroll through, I say anywhere from 1 to 5 photos are fit in here nicely, giving people an idea what to expect. So once you've selected the ones that you want, all you do is hit next in the top right. And what we're doing here is we're naming our new guide. So what is the actual title of the guide? And for right now, this picture is what they have, and we can change that later on. So we're going to name our guide Fredericksburg Restaurant. If I can type here. Recs, short for recommendations. Okay, and then what is this guide about? And you don't have to fill it out. You can see it's optional there, but you want to put a little detail in there. So we're going to type out Fredericksburg. Just something to catch people's attention. And giving them an idea of what that guide is going to be about. And I see that the autocorrect changed my title here, so we're going to go back and fix that. All right, so now this is kind of giving you a layout of what the guide is going to look like. So we have Sedona here. This is going to be the main picture for that. I think that looks great. And we want to add another place. So we're going to click Add Place. And then we're going to add in Orofino, a little Italian in here. Oops. You can see it pulls the stuff up for you as you're typing, so it makes it pretty easy. And we're going to find a few pictures that we want to add in for Orofino. So let's see here. Let's do one. Let's see. It's always hard to decide what pictures to choose, but I'm going to go with, at a quick glance here, this pizza looks good. Do one of the interior of the restaurant. This one here of the owner. I'll get one more. I think that's, and then one of the exterior. So we'll hit done. And if you want to add details about the restaurant, there's right there, you can put that in there. I'm not going to do that today, but you can go in and add in, if it's a place that you love, why you love it, things they should check out. Just again, showing you more as an expert in the area, that you've been to these places, that you know. So we're going to add Mason-Dixon in here. So I'm going to do, in this case, I'm going to do 5 restaurants. So we want to make sure we choose the downtown one. I don't know if you guys have been to these restaurants I'm sharing, but these are all ones that I personally love. So we're going to click here. I think Mason-Dixon is actually, I'm pretty sure they're opening their own burger joint over on Lafayette. So let's see what we got here. I love that we got a picture of the chicken and waffles. Let me see if there we go. I always love the chicken and waffles. What else we got here? All right, so we got that one done. We'll add another place, add in another fan favorite of foodie. So we got that. Go through and choose some pictures of foodie. Let's see here, another place with good chicken and waffles. Got one here, the chef. Here, okay. Perfect. And then we're going to add in one more place, and we'll head over down by the river and add in Taparillo. Perfect. And you can see none of these are photos that we've actually taken in here. So you don't have to have this stuff created. That's what makes it so simple for you. Now, if you have posts that you have created of these places, then you can include those in here. So keep that in mind. You can do that if you'd like. And you would just go down, instead of choosing the places one, you would choose your posts, and you would create it off of your posts. So let me add a few in here. We've got one overlooking the river. I'm choosing one without people's faces in here that they posted, but you can definitely do that if you would like. Perfect. Okay. So we've added in 5 different restaurants. You guys have seen how simple that is. It's been just a couple minutes for me to do that. I know that's what's difficult a lot of times with posts, is figuring out what to do and what not to do. So I'm going to go hit next. And that's it. Your guide is created. It's at the point where you can share it. You can see exactly what it's going to look like. Fredericksburg Restaurant Rex. We're going to preview it real quickly here to make sure that we like the way that it looks. And it's just a great, easy way that people can scroll through, see a few restaurants that they might want to check out. And as they're going through this, one of my goals that I'm always looking to do, and I've said this a few times, is just to make it look like, I work in the Fredericksburg area, or if you're a Gainesville agent, that you know Gainesville, that you live there, that you understand what's going on. Because when people are trying to decide to select us as agents, they want to know that we know a lot about the town that they're moving to or the community, what's going on, what things there are to do. So you can see the possibilities of these guides are really endless, and they're very simple to do. So if you build out, 5 to 10 guides, it's making your Instagram page a little more established, and it's not even that you even had to go to these restaurants to do that. So it's very simple. So that's the preview. And what you would do, you would share this directly to your story is the easiest way to share it. And then that's all you have to do. Let me go in here, and it didn't let me, I was still populating. We could click in the top right, there's a little arrow, paper plane looking icon, and you would just select add guide to your story. And then you would just create the story here, add in some text about that, and then you would just send it. And that's it. Guys, I hope this helps you out. I would love to see your guides once you guys create those. So you can send them our way. We're always taking a look. You can tag Coldwell Banker Lead in there. If you do tag us in there, we would be able to see that, and we do share some of those stories that you guys post in there. But pretty simple. If you have any questions, though, when you dive in there, let me know. Watch this video back. You can pause it as you're going through to see the different steps, but I think you're going to find that this is easier than you think and a great thing to add to your Instagram. I'll talk to you guys later. Have a great day.